we are going to do... Hey everyone, it's Kat, and welcome to my channel. I'm over 50 years old, and I love makeup and skincare products. And as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a Yesstyle makeup haul. In particular, a brand from Korea called Apu. Apu, like achoo. I picked up everything from BB cream to primer, lip gloss, water blush. What the heck is that? That's what I love about Korean beauty. They have so many interesting and cute packaged items I can't wait to dive into. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. Okay. What is Yesstyle? In case you're not familiar with it, Yesstyle allows the shopper from across the globe to purchase Japanese and Korean fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Everything from clothes to skincare to makeup and supplements. It's insane. And they offer not just Japanese products, but Korean, Taiwanese. Some of it is so overwhelming. I just honed in on one cosmetic brand called Apu. Now, it is Korean based, and I can't wait to dive into all of these products. Let's just dive right in. So I was reading up a little bit more on Apu. Yeah, my hair's getting shorter and shorter. Thanks, Matt. My husband cut my hair. I think he did a really good job. The first product we're gonna be testing out is the Apu Moisture Primer to help make skin moisturizing by controlling oil and moisture balance. Now, as you can see, everything is written in Korean and a little bit in English. So, this is the primer, and let's bust it open. Startup primer. Apu. I can't wait because my skin is feeling a little bit dry. Now I did my eyebrows with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. I have been loving this pencil almost as much as my LA Slim Shady Girl. And for my eye primer, I just went in with the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in cream. But this is what I love about Korean beauty, is that it's so elegantly packaged. I mean, it's so cute. I can't wait to dive into all these products. But first, primer. Okay, this is moisturizing primer. I'm not sure if it's supposed to blur your pores, but let's take a little bit out and see the consistency. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place some right where I need it the most. And this actually feels very soothing and slippery. Now, since the ingredients are in Korean and I don't speak Korean, I have no idea what the ingredients are. I guess I could go on the website and check it out, but this is feeling pretty good. Very moisturizing. Okay, not bad. And it doesn't really smell. It just has a very faint scent, so I'm happy there. Let's go into the BB Maker. Now, I couldn't get this price tag off. Speaking of price, all of these items were literally under $10. I think this was like $8, the primer was like $9. Yesstyle always has sales going on, so you'll get a product for like 10% off, or even 20% off, or even 60% off. So that's why I love shopping on there. It was fantastic. Now, this is the BB Maker. It came, I think it came in like 10 shades. The one thing about Korean beauty is that they don't offer a large shade range. I guess because they gear it towards more of the Asian persuasion, the Asian culture, because they have a lot of light skin toned women and men. But I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. This is the light beige. It looks awfully pale. So I'm just gonna go in. That doesn't smell either, which I like. And I'm gonna swatch it and see. Oh, and I heard this goes a little bit, goes a long way. So, oh my Lanta, this actually got really good reviews. I think I put too much, but let's just tap it in. And, oh, that smells good. Whoopsie. Yeah, a little bit goes a long way. I can tell by the consistency, it's super thick. But it's funny, I was reading up on Korean beauty in terms of what their ideal beauty is. And from my understanding, it's light skin, large eyes, youthful looking. Well, yeah, of course. But I just found it fascinating. And that's how it is in the Philippines as well. The Philippines' beauty of standard is lighter, whiter skin, and they actually bleach their skin over there to make it whiter. I know, that's crazy, isn't it? Oh, speaking of which, I got a sample of Underarm's brightening pad as one of their samples. I guess to like brighten up your under armpits. I don't know, but okay. Back to the BB Maker. It's actually not a bad shade, and I would say this is medium coverage to light, but let's go in on the other side and see if it can cover up my hyperpigmentation. Tap. Foundation is on. It feels very moisturizing, but that could be due to the Startup Primer, which is a moisturizing formula. And for concealer, I just went in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Concealer. Absolutely love it. It adds just the right amount of dewiness without going into my fine lines and making them look crepey, and perfect medium coverage. Now for bronzer and contour, I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Air Bronzer in medium, and just with a fluffy brush, I went into my transitional shade because we are going to be testing out a cream eyeshadow from PU, and it's called Ginger Rose, and I can't wait to test it out. And it just looked to be such a beautiful summer shade, and it comes in a little pot right there. But let's take it out and see what it looks like. I have been loving cream eyeshadows for the summertime because all you need to do is just take a little bit on your finger or on your brush and just tap it onto your eyelids and I'm good to go. But let's take a swatch of Ginger Rose. Oh my gosh, this feels so creamy. I mean, they ain't lying, it's buttery. And let's take a swatch right through here. Now this is Ginger Rose. It's very sheer, and I bet it'll sheer out on your lids. So let's just go ahead and tap it in. Okay, the formula is definitely buttery and creamy. And honestly, I thought the shade was going to be a little bit deeper when I saw it on the website, but it is super sheer, and it's just a sheer tint color on my eyelids. So yeah, okay. I like it. Now, the next product. I can't wait to test out these blushers. I did get two, and it is called the Water Blusher, and look how cute they come packaged. Now, this is the Juicy Pang blusher, and it is a water blusher. I got the shades Strawberry and Peach. I'm gonna open up Strawberry. It comes in a frosted glass and it looks like nail polish. Oh my Lanta, these are so cute. Okay, this is Strawberry and this is Peach. Look how cute they are. Now they do look like nail polish, but it's supposed to be a water blusher. And which one should we try? Let's try Strawberry. But I'm not sure how you're supposed to apply it. Let's check out the applicator. I'm so intrigued. Okay. Oh my Lanta. Are you sure this is a nail polish? Really? Okay, well, guess I'll just tap some on my hand and swatch that. And let's go in with Peach. Why do I feel like I'm putting on nail polish? And then this is the Peach. Ooh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit on my finger and just tap it in. And I heard it's supposed to just give a beautiful light flush. And what I love about liquid blush is it doesn't add texture, especially in this porous area that I have, but it is very sheer. It's not gonna look like what came out of the bottle. Very subtle. That is beautiful. I'll put some more. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more and just get a little bit more color and pigment. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, I really, really like this. And take it up just a little bit. I mean, you really can't put too much on. This is beautiful. And I really don't want to go for a heavy makeup look, especially when it's 95 degrees out and you're sweating profusely. You want your face to look fresh and natural. I think that's really beautiful. Okay, and now for highlighter, I'm going in with the Juicy Pang Jelly Beam Highlighter. Now there are only two shades, and this one is like a rose gold shade, and I thought this was really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. This feels so buttery, and let's swatch it right here. And it, oh my gosh, this consistency is beautiful. But I'm just gonna take it on a small Ulta brush and see what kind of pigment we get. I'm just putting it right through here. It's very subtle. Can you see that? Oh, it's nice. I like it a lot. Oh gosh, it's so buttery. And right through here. I'm just gonna hit right through here too. Nice. Now the next product I got, Water Light Tint. Now, what exactly is it? When I first got it in the mail today, I thought it was like a lipstick. Oh, no, it's not. Now the shades that I got were Ginger Rose and Strawberry, and this is such a beautiful product. I thought it was a lipstick at first, but as you can see, I'm gonna twist it off and show you what it looks like. It's like a lip gloss. Now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Ginger Rose, and it's supposed to be like a water tint where you can control the pigment on this. Now let's go in with Strawberry. And do they smell? Oh gosh, I think it does. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, look at that. I think I'm gonna go in with Strawberry. Why not? Yeah, it's a water light tint. That is certainly red. The Waterlight Tint is a lightweight, highly adhesive lip tint that creates naturally plump and dewy lips. It's not plumping in my case. A Pew Waterlight Tint creates moisturizing and bouncy lips just like glass beads, adheres to lips lightly to create a moisturizing luster without feeling of stickiness. It's very beautiful, very moisturizing. Let's go in with Bitter Rose. Yeah, okay, it definitely stained my lips. It's actually kind of pretty this way. Ooh, yes, this is really nice. Oh my gosh, this consistency is really, I can't explain it. It's not sticky, and like they said, it is kind of adhesive, but it just feels so moisturizing. I really like this. Wow. And this does come in 16 shades. This is stunning. And I liked how the strawberry stained my lips just a little bit. So that would be interesting to see how it wears throughout the day, but I think it's really nice. Bitter Rose is stunning. Now it says it plumps. I don't think it plumps. I don't have that minty feeling where you feel that tingling. None of that. It just feels very moisturizing, but I'm loving it. This is really pretty. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Final look, everyone. Now for eyeliner, I just went in with the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in brown. I just tight lined under my waterline on my upper eyelash. I love doing that recently because it's so easy and it just adds that little pop right there to define my eyelash band. Now for mascara, I went in with, of course, the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Absolutely love this. And there you have it. I am absolutely in love with the Juicy Pang blusher. This is such a unique product. You can't go wrong. You can't overdo it with these colors. They're so sheer and so subtle, but so fun to apply. And like I said, all of these products that I got were under $10. So you can, and it just looks like candy. All of the packaging is just so, it's like eye candy. You cannot pick and settle on one color. You just want to get them all, especially with these liquid blushers. As far as the creamy butter eyeshadow, I can see it's already kind of so creamy to the fact, and maybe because it's super hot here today, it is kind of settling into my crease, so maybe go a little bit more sheer when you apply it if you decide to get this. But I think overall it's such a beautiful wash of color that just adds a subtle glow. Now the highlighter, the texture on the Jelly Beam highlighter is so soft and buttery, but it's just so subtle. I cannot believe it's not one of those highlighters that you're going to see it from across the street. Seriously, it's so much more subtle than that, and it really makes your skin look like glass. There's not a whole lot of glitter. And like I said, there were 2 shades, and I got the rose shade here. Beautiful, beautiful formula. And then the foundation and the primer. The primer is actually not that bad. Can you see my pores? I really want to have skin like those Korean women. Beautiful. It's actually quite blurring and very moisturizing at the same time. And the BB Maker, BB cream, actually adds a nice medium coverage, and I really like it. I think it's not bad. This would be fantastic to travel with. And remember, a little bit goes a long way with this particular BB Maker BB cream. But yes, that's what we got here. I mean, I'm super excited about all these purchases. I think it added up to like $50, $60 when I just checked out of my cart, but I think it's a fabulous, fabulous deal. I think my favorite product has got to be the water tint. It is such an unusual formula. And I'm thinking if you are of the mature age, you definitely would want to go in with a lip liner. I can see this consistency being so juicy that it might bleed into your lines through here, but I think it's stunning. I really love the shade Bitter Romance, Bitter Rose, I don't know. But the packaging is solid, so adorable. Everything about Pew Juicy Pang is just so pleasing to the eye. Whoever is their marketing director, super props to them. So creative, so beautiful. It's not a blown out look. Well, my lips are kind of blown out, but I think it's a beautiful, subtle look. I mean, I want my skin to shine. I want my lips to pop, and I think that's the look that we achieved. But I hope you enjoyed this review of K-Beauty and my Yesstyle makeup haul. These are really good products. I'm super excited. I'm going to be reaching for them, and they're just so cute. But yes, so leave a comment down below if you've ever shopped on Yesstyle, and if you have, what all did you get? Did you get Korean makeup or Japanese makeup or even fashion? Now remember, they do ship out of Hong Kong, and if you do place an order, be patient because of what's going on in the world today. Shipping does take a little bit longer. So in my next upcoming video, oh my gosh, I ordered the new Metamorphosis lip kit from Jen Loves Review. She did a collaboration with Ofra, and it's such a unique formula of 3 lip glosses that will change the color of your lipstick or lip gloss. If it's a little too dark or a little too bright, you can tone it down, and I can't wait to test those out for you. So in case you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.